Hi, my name is Amy and I am the social media and customer service person here at Bentley De Lisle Jewellers. So on a day here at Bentley De Lisle, I normally am behind the scenes or even serving customers out the front. I take care of all the photography for the jewellery as they're being made, and also pre-planning into our social media accounts and posting all of our beautiful jewellery for people to see around the world. So I first started working in Bentley De Lisle when I was a teenager, and I've been working here ever since. What I really love about my role is being able to connect with customers and share the journey of their pieces being made. If you ever had a thought about getting jewellery made or not sure where to start and even just have questions, please come in and see us. We would love to help you any way that we can, and we look forward to sharing the love that we have of jewellery with you.